In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel order and refund on Kakobuy. Start by opening the Kakobuy website in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account so you can see the orders you placed. At the top right of the page, hover over the profile icon to open the account menu. From that menu, click on Order to go straight to your order list. On the Orders page, find the specific order you want to cancel or refund. Take a moment to confirm it's the right one by checking the item details and order status. Next to that order, click Return Goods. This opens the after-sales request where you can submit a cancellation or refund request. Depending on the order status, this may function as a cancellation if it hasn't progressed far, or as a return refund if it's already in process. You'll see information about timing here. Refunds generally take about 3 to 7 days after approval, and timing can vary based on your payment method and financial institution. Keep this window in mind as you plan. Now choose a reason for your request from the list provided. Pick the option that best matches your situation so the review team can process it smoothly. In the return instructions box, briefly explain what happened. Be clear and concise, mention the item, any issue you noticed, and whether it's unused or unopened. The goal is to give enough detail for a quick decision without overcomplicating your message. You'll also see an option stating that, if necessary, you're willing to bear the shipping fee and service fee for a return or exchange. Check this to acknowledge that some returns require outbound or return shipping and handling. Review any cost notes shown on the page so you know what to expect. When everything looks good, click Submit. Your request will be sent for review. After submitting, you can revisit the order page to track the status of your request and watch for notifications about next steps or approval updates. That's it. Your cancellation or refund request on Kakobuy is underway.